Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This time I'm doing a box of 2011-2012 Upper Deck SPX that ended last night on eBay. That would be February 20th between, I believe it was 9:45 and 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The last team was Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 10:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, before I get on with this, I just want to do a cheap plug. I've got two breaks going on live for this Sunday. This is actually being done live right now. But two breaks live this Sunday. I have a large one with the Cup, Dominion, and 7 other boxes, so 9 boxes in total for $59, and it is a team draft scenario, so you have to pick your own team based on where you end up in the randomization for the draft. And the other one is a $19 3-box mini break of Prime, Limited, and Artifacts. Limited and Artifacts are for $12.13, Prime is for $11.12. So if you want to get involved in that one, please let me know. Spots are selling quickly on both of them. There's only 3 spots left right now in the Cup one. Okay, on to this one. Current time is, hit refresh, 2:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 21st. We're the next day here. Show you the serial number. Open up the webcam. NE 957-29297. NE 957-29297. It is, of course, a sealed box of SPX. Wouldn't do it any other way. And neither should you. Let's get going. I want to thank everybody for participating in this break and wish everybody good luck. I do have 8 boxes going tonight if anybody's interested. You can get involved in those. They, I don't know if they're the same boxes as last night, but they'd be pretty close. Maybe just 1 or 2 variations of them. Empty box. Good for the trash / recycling. Okay, ice pack will go last. I'm just going to make sure I keep everything on screen. And base cards do not ship with SPX. Let's get going. Parise, Weiss, Decoy, Alfredson, Brodeur. Mason, Pavlik, Decoy, Patrick Kane, and Jerome McGinley. There's something a little thicker in this one. Feels like. Maybe I'm wrong. Yep, I'm wrong. Marc-Andre Fleury, Brad Richards, Decoy, Stamkos, and Joe Thornton. Whoever called out the right side live on BlogTV right now, I don't know about them. Caberlet, Kovalchuk, Decoy, Crosby, and Duchesne. Brown, Lettinen, Decoy, Berglund, and Tavares. That is my right. Unless you want the ice. Panouf, Gagne, Decoy, Sedin, and Le Cavalier. Stahl, Chara, rookie out of 499 for the Minnesota Wild. Carson McMillan. Carson McMillan for the Wild. There we go. 329 out of 499. Decoy and Semin. Back is Stepan, Decoy, Giroux, and Chris Stewart. Final pack on this side of the box, thankfully. We'll get on to the hits on the other side. Keatley, Rene, Decoy, Plekanec, and Bufflin. Alright, so all the hits will be obviously on this side, aside from the McMillan rookie. Jokinen, Kuhlman, Decoy, Stahl, and Bergeron. Eriksson, Franson, dual winning combos. Dual jersey, Sedin and Sedin. Canucks. Lidstrom and Backstrom. Zetterberg, Hall, winning materials for the Kings, I believe, and C. Kopitar. Yep. Baton Dress, and Kopitar again. Martin St. Louis, Shea Weber, Decoy, Lundqvist, and Derek Roy. Price, Sagan, auto rookies out of 799 for the Leafs. Matt Fratton, number 234 out of 799, auto rookie jersey. Brizgalov and Saban. Mueller, Hemsky, rookie materials jersey for the Habs, Louis LeBlanc. Lucic and Hossa. That was Kopitar before. Gabrick, finite rookie for the Rangers, Tim Erickson. Out of 499. Actually like the looks of the finite rookies. Decoy, Eberle, and Howard. And I agree. Marlowe, Bomeister, Decoy, Sharp, and Koivu. Final regular pack, and then on to the ice pack. Horton, Thomas, Decoy, Miller, and Derek Brassard. Alright, let's get on to the regular pack. That was a pretty dismal, that's the ice pack. It was a pretty dismal box. Eberle, Stastny, Getzlaff, Phaneuf, and the Premier's rookie out of 499, Brendan Smith for the Wings. So that's it for the box of SPX. I'm going to upload it and hit live on YouTube right now. Remember, I have 8 boxes going tonight, and you can always contact me to take part in those other breaks. They are cheaper over my site than eBay. Have a good one, everybody.